Hello, my name is Alicia, Customer Support Manager with Keystone RV Company, Customer Service supporting Dutchman and Crossroads. Customers will sometimes reach out to us asking, where can I locate the serial number of my recreational vehicle? Did you know that you can check your bill of sale, insurance paperwork, registration, and your title and locate the serial number listed? It also is typically stamped on the tag, which is located on the A-frame of your travel trailer or on the pin box of your fifth wheel. And finally, it would also be located on the federal certification label on the forward road side of the unit. And remember, we are always here to help.